Alright, welcome back, kids. Hey, what'd y'all do yesterday?
Oh, we went to downtown Disney Springs, I forget. And we went to Raglan Road. It was so much fun.
Yeah, did y'all get to see the dancing?
Uh-huh. It was really good.
Yeah, and what did you have to eat, Melody?
I got steak, and it was huge. I didn't even eat it. And mashed potatoes, and a bowl of ice cream. Really
And
good.
what did the ice cream taste like?
Well, I asked for strawberry syrup drizzled on it with strawberries in it. It was really good.
That's good. Alright, be nice and loud because this bus is coming. Alright, what about you, Violet? What'd you get?
I got the same steak, and I got French fries, and then I got ice cream. It had like fruit and stuff in it with little chocolate chips in it and stuff. And then that was it. What did
Yeah.
you get, Bridget? I got the same steak, but I ate it. I ate all of it. It was a 10-ounce steak, so I never got to eat like my fries or anything. But then I got like this ice cream thing. I'm not really sure what it was
A
called.
trifle.
Trifle snuffle.
Yeah.
It was good.
Alright, where are we going today?
Animal Kingdom!
Alright, and what are we excited for at Animal Kingdom?
Everest.
Everest? What about,
River Rapids.
what about you, Mel?
Safari.
The
I
safari.
love that one. Actually, I was like, I think the darker spots on the giraffes are the boys, and the lighter spots are the girls. And then he just said it, and I was like, wow.
Yeah, that's awesome. Alright, well, we'll check back with you later, okay?
Okay,
Alright, what are we
bye.
eating tonight?
Oh, Rainforest Cafe.
Alright, we'll do a little interview for Rainforest too.
Alright,
Alright,
see you
bye-bye.
later.
What's going on?
We're at Sights of Wonder.
What is it?
It's a bird show where they all fly, and I think you get to learn about them. But it's our first time, so I don't really know what it's like.
Yeah. And what did you get to see a bird out front?
Oh yeah, it was an owl. It was a horned owl. It looked like it had horns, but it really didn't. Its hair, had
Like a couple of horny
Yeah.
feathers?
Yeah, and it fell when it was like a little baby, and they didn't think that it would stay alive that long.
Yeah.
It was really cool.
What was its name?
It was called Tuesday,
Ah,
because that's the day that they found it, and so they named it Tuesday.
well, we're super excited, aren't we? This will be something new, huh? Awesome. All right, I'll check with you later. All right, we're back again.
We're going to Rainforest Cafe.
Yeah.
We've never been. Well, we have been, but only those two. Only y'all and
Just mom and dad have been. Well, are you excited to eat in here?
Uh-huh.
All right.
Yeah, let's go check inside out.
All right, and then we'll find out what you ate and what you liked and didn't like, okay?
Okay.
All right, we'll see you later.
Bye.